panorama of where I'm at the Bluff Springs Dutchman's trail junction. I took a rest and talked with a hiker, and it's about noon, so I'm ready to start the trail maintenance on the Dutchman's Trail heading south. 1:30, my mileage is 261.3. Not too much maintenance to do at this point. Panning around. Where I have to go is over there. Use this rocky place as a reference to where last I did trail maintenance. So from this point to the trail junction with Bluff Springs, I've done trail maintenance. What hasn't been done is from this point to the Miner's Needle, or the Whiskey Springs junction, so I'm not sure how much is needed in between. I'll keep you posted. It's about 1:35. Hiking the Dutchman's towards Whiskey Springs junction. Trail looks very good here. A little grassy, but it's a dirt trail. I did a little maintenance on this right here. Now I'm headed up. Up and over. 5 minutes till 2, looking back from where I started the trail maintenance. Looking forward. My return hike. Short break as I'm heading upward, and then the trail's gonna. Hallelujah! The trail finally turns towards the Miner's Needle. There's the Weaver's Needle out there.